해봤어요? 학시 한번 해보세요. Now they're using an Autobot, assembling the units one by one. Completely automatic. This is crazy. You can see over there the hands and legs and different parts. They put all those different parts into one single plate. The hands, the legs, and the torso all into one part. And then put in the front. And they start to assemble the unit. And this is how lightweight and tender it is. So the bottom torso, we assemble the legs to it. Oh my, it's so tender, and you can slowly screw onto it. And then try to move the legs apart a little bit, and this comes from the other side. Let's put into it. Slowly, tenderly screw into place. It is amazing. And then you place it onto a stand. Very tender. And push it on the side. Make sure it is completely standing. And then with the breast part, the big torso part, with the heads, and then put the hands in it. Oh, slowly put through it. It's just amazing. The level of tenderness and precision is just unbelievable. Yeah. Put this unit on top. Okay, they combine the top and bottom part together. This is the sensor. Slowly find the place and attach. Wow. And here's the completed one. Complete. Okay, this is the turning part of the unit. This is how the unit is being turned on the actual big unit. And this is how the unit is turned. Power to the front. And turn to the back. This is the finger. So they're using this to extend the finger up straight and then slowly turn and clip back. This is the mechanism.